Hello and welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted every Tuesday by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and today is freestyle. So I'm going to start with this woven round placemat in the center. And I'm going to add this beautiful picture with a bird on it that I recently thrifted. And I also thrifted this greenery ball. It's very wispy. I love it. And it's very full. So I'm going to place that on top of the picture as my centerpiece. Next, I'm going to be adding these beautiful embroidered placemats that I ordered from Amazon. I think they are gorgeous, very delicate and dainty looking. I definitely would not be using this if my grandkids were coming for dinner. This will be a setting for 4. Next, I'm going to be adding my crystal candle holders with a yellow candle on each side of the centerpiece. Then around each of the candle holders, I'm going to add this lamb's ear wreath to both of the candles. Okay, now as far as the dinner plate, I'm going to be adding just these glass plates. I think the embroidered placemat is so pretty, I don't want to hide it. And then as a dessert or salad plate, I'm going to add these little bumblebee plates that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. Now for the napkins. So I have these plaid napkins with a beaded napkin ring. So I'm going to add those to all 4 of the place settings with these really pretty silver and gold fork and knife. That was also Amazon. And I'm also going to add these white daisies to the wreath around the candle. And then I'm going to add my favorite faux muffins to each of the dessert plates. Those were from Amazon. Next, I'm going to be adding these fluted glasses. So that is the final touch to my tablescape, but stay tuned, I will be lighting the candles. Here is the reveal and the lighting of the candles. So y'all have to let me know what you think. Be sure to check out the playlist and leave everyone a comment and a like. And if you like this kind of content, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it very much. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye for now.